Here's some Ottoman Railway trivia. Subscribe. What major European city did the railway connect to Istanbul? Is it A. Athens, B. Berlin, C. Vienna, or D. Budapest? The correct answer is C. Vienna. Which year saw the completion of the Hejaz Railway? Is it A. 1912, B. 1908, C. 1895, or D. 1920? The correct answer is B. 1908. What was another name for the Baghdad Railway? Is it A. Silk Road, B. Baghdad Railway, C. Ottoman Line, or D. Ankara Express? The correct answer is B. Baghdad Railway. Which city served as a key junction for the railway systems? Is it A. Constantinople, B. Madrid, C. Cairo, or D. Berlin? The correct answer is A. Constantinople. Who was instrumental in constructing the Baghdad Railway? Is it A. French architects, B. German engineers, C. British contractors, or D. Ottoman officials? The correct answer is B. German engineers. What was the economic impact of the Ottoman Railway? Is it A. Decreased labor supply, B. Increased taxation, boosted trade, or D. Economic stagnation? The correct answer is C. Boosted trade. What role did the railway system play in military logistics? Is it A. Civilian transport, B. Logistical chaos, C. Strategic, or D. Supply route delays? The correct answer is C. Strategic. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.